Hey, welcome to this mini lecture on Introduction to Media Literacy. Here's a quick overview. Media literacy is a 21st century approach to education. It's a framework to access, analyze, evaluate, and create messages in many forms such as video, web, print, etc. It helps people build understanding of media's role in society, and it develops inquiry and self-expression skills for citizens of democracy. So it's useful. There are various, here's some definitions, perspectives, and traits regarding media literacy. According to Potter, it's a perspective from which we expose ourselves to the media and interpret the meanings of the messages we encounter. According to Campbell and all, it's an understanding of the mass communication process through the development of critical thinking tools that enable a person to become more engaged as a citizen and more discerning as a consumer of mass media products. And finally, according to AMLA, media literacy is a skillful application of literacy skills to media and technology messages. So it has broad definitions and traits. There are 5 core concepts of media literacy. 1 is all media messages are constructed. 2, these media messages are constructed using a creative language with its own rules. 3, different people experience the same message differently. 4, media have embedded values and points of view. And finally, 5, media messages are constructed to gain profit and or power. It's a continuum from low, high, to multi-dimensional literacy. First, low is a weak or limited perspective. It's a mindless approach to media consumption with superficial reaction to that media. There's high media literacy. This is a highly developed perspective that is active. It's a mindful approach to media consumption with a critical reaction. And finally, is multidimensional, and this requires the use of 4 domains: cognitive, emotional, aesthetic, and moral, or value ethical. There are 5 main key questions for media literacy. First, who created the message? 2, what techniques are used to attract my attention? 3, how might different people understand this message differently from me? Because again, we talked before about how people view it in different ways. 4, what lifestyles, values, and points of view are represented in or omitted by from this message, and why was this message sent? Potter identifies 4 main key literary issues. There's a contrast between information and knowledge. There's a contrast between exposure and attention, the contrast between automaticity and mindfulness, and finally meaning matching versus meaning construction. Meaning matching is usually routine and done automatically, while meaning construction can be idiosyncratic and creative. That was Introduction to Media Literacy. As always, thanks for watching. Take care. Hope to see you again soon.